Hey beauties, what's up beautiful people? Wagwan, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'll be taking my hair from raggedy rag to bling bling. So let's get started. I'm first taking down my hair and I'm gonna hydrate my hair using the African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in cream. Its purpose is to hydrate and strengthen the hair, made with coconut and baobab oil. So I'm rubbing the product between my hands and then I'm just gonna apply it throughout my hair from the roots to the ends, and I'm also gonna try and work it underneath my hair in the roots so that everything is hydrated and ready to be combed through. It smells so good. After that, I'm just gonna take this all-in-one mist by Kavella. It's a hydrating and detangling spray, and it's also good to protect against heating too. So if you're gonna flat iron or blow dry your hair, this is a perfect product to start off with. And I'm just spraying that throughout my hair. So I'm taking this detangling brush and I'm just gonna comb through, make sure everything is just perfect for styling. I don't want any tangled knots in my hair, and this is the perfect brush to do so gently. Thank you guys so much as usual for watching my videos, for liking, commenting and sharing. And if it's the first time you're joining my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be alerted whenever I post a new video. I would really love your support, so go ahead and give me a subscribe. So now I'm parting my hair using a rat tail comb, and I'm starting off with a little V at the front, and we're going to turn this V into a diamond because we're all about bling in this simple hair tutorial. So we're starting off with one diamond at the front, and you are going to need an elastic band to secure that, because I'm going to secure that with an elastic band. But first I want to smooth out the hair, comb it through, smooth it out with some, you can use some edge control. I'm using Let's Jam gel, and I just apply that to the hair, make sure everything is smooth, and then I'm just gonna take an elastic band and secure this little part. Remember to follow me on social media. Let's connect and be friends over on Instagram. My handle is be-YOU-tiful by J. And I'm also on TikTok, where the fun's at. I'm also be-YOU-tified by J on there. And if you want to hit up my Facebook page, it is be-YOU-tiful bells by Janice. So now we have our little diamond all secured in a ponytail. And now I'm going to create another diamond at the back, just like I did with the front. But this time I'm taking the ponytail from the little diamond at the front and I'm putting it in the back one and secure both of them together. Now that I have my diamonds all created, I'm just gonna proceed with putting my hair in a ponytail, and I'm smoothing out the edges and all with the same Let's Jam gel. I just want everything to be slicked back in a nice neat ponytail. And what I'm doing here, your girl was trying to do some edges, but I cannot do edges to save my life. So you know what, I just forgot about it, and somewhere during the tutorial I just brushed everything back into one because the edges were not working out for me at all. Total fail. So I'm just putting everything back, slicked back together in a ponytail. And because I want it to be slicked back and neat, I'm trying to make it as smooth as possible and as tight as possible. And I'm using a nylon scrunchie to just secure the ponytail. And of course, brush it to just smooth out all the hair. We want this to be as neat as possible, guys. And there you have it, that's my ponytail. But one thing's missing, it needs some oomph. We gotta pump up this hairstyle and make it something extraordinary. It's just looking ordinary at the moment, and that's not what I'm going for. Remember, I said I was taking it from raggedy rag to bling bling, so now it's time to add the blings. And I have some gems. They are just regular gems, but they are self-adhesive gems. I don't really think they are the perfect gems for hair, but I'm gonna make it work, and I'm not so sure why I chose blue. Maybe because it's my favorite color, but I'm going in with different shades of blue. I have a dark blue, a light blue, and a really light one. So I've applied the gems to my hair. I basically just stick them to my hair because, as I mentioned before, they're self-adhesive. And now I'm just taking my olive oil sheen spray and just spray it on the ends. I intended for my ponytail to be fluffy. I didn't want it to be straight, or else I could have flat ironed it so that it was more you know, smaller, but I wanted it to be puffy. That's the look I wanted. So here it is. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the simple hairstyle, and if you try it out, just tag me. Let me know. I'd love to see you recreate this look, but I am loving it. It's so simple and cute and trendy. I was really feeling myself. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please remember to like, comment, and share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so I can keep posting more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.